Hi and welcome to today's episode of Lean My Simple Way. Today I'll be showing you how to DIY your salon blow dry in just 5 minutes. This is great for you if you suffer from a bad hair day or just waking up from sleep and your hair is lifeless and you want to get that volume hair going on. And it's also great for you to, prepare your hair to go out or even for work. Okay, let's get straight into it. So this is my hair waking up from sleep. It is flat, there's no volume in there whatsoever. It's pointing out everywhere. So I need to fix it. So how do I fix this? I want to achieve the Salon blow dry look in 5 minutes. I'll show you how. Okay, let's get started. Alright, so if you just finish washing your hair, then this is good for you. You have to blow dry it 90% dry already. Okay, and if you're just waking up from sleep and your hair is in a mess like this, what you can do is first of all spray it with water so it gets a bit wet, and especially where the root of the hair is. Okay, there, lift it up, a bit of root, same on this side. Then before you do this, of course, you have the thermal spray for your hair, so just give it a quick spray. Okay. And then because I want the volume, so I'll add a little bit in there. Right. So at least my hair is in that started. What we need to do to blow dry is we need this brush here, the round brush here. Okay. Set your blow dryer. Don't set it to the maximum heat because you're gonna just damage your hair. So just set it to the second highest heat. Okay. So let's start. We start with the bottom. Turn your blow dryer on. Your brush here. You do in and blow. First, what you do? Be careful when you do this so you don't burn yourself. See that? Okay. Now quickly. Just remember from bottom up. See how you lift it up like that, and then you slowly. Remember, don't place it all the way inside, just slightly outside, otherwise you might burn yourself. And then with the brush, in, lift it up, and then slowly blow dry it out. Okay. Come to the back, same, lift it up, in there, in the root, give it a few seconds, slowly blow dry it out. Now that you've got that done, next, the top, starting to work your way up. Okay, you've got that bit there, take a bit out, sweep it to the other side like this, point at the root a little bit, flatten it out, hang, front, lift up, flatten, lift up, go to that side, flatten, okay? Then once again, with your brush, straight in, lift it up, slowly bring it out. Lift it up, slowly bring it out. Lift up the roots, bring your nozzle in, slowly bring it out. Okay. Pick up a section from the back, same thing. Brush in the root, lifting it up. Put the nozzle in there. Bring it up. Do it one more time. Brush. Got that side done, off to that side, up, up, all the way onto the other side, in, lift it. Put the nozzle, lift it up, put the nozzle in to where you lift it up to build volume. Bring it out, lift up, bring it out. Back, lift up. Blow dry, bring it out. Remember to do this curling at the same time, okay? Okay, now same thing. Up, this way. And then lift it up. Got the both sides done, it's time to work at the top, the crown and the top here. At the back, pick up a portion, straighten it up a little bit, to the back, see where I pointed it, to the back, then put your brush in there, in the root, okay, lift that up, 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 curling your brush at the same time. Okay. Again, one more time. Smooth it out. Try smooth it out. Okay. Same thing. Top. Pick a bit. In. Back. In. Brush. In the root. Lift it up. And bring it up slowly. In, root, remember to roll your, use your finger and roll it around like that. Okay? Whichever part that you feel that you don't have enough, point your hair in the opposite direction and lift, then you have enough. Okay. Finally, your fringe, bring it to the front, back, top, and then once again your brush, lift it up, bring it forward toward your forehead, and then slowly again. Okay. Now just quickly go over it, lift up, smooth, lift up, smooth, lift up, okay. Smooth, if I'm doing this and I'm showing you, it takes a bit long, but if you practice, to this side, go over it again, lift up, point down, smooth. Okay. Whichever part that you don't have enough volume, if I feel that the back of the crown doesn't have enough volume and I want some more, in, back, out. Just quickly pull it out. There you go. In 5 minutes, I have bouncy, volumized hair.